Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to reboot Poco phone guys. You want to reboot guys your Poco phone. So guys you can reboot and guys now let's see how to reboot Poco phone in this video guys. I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you're in my channel. So first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends now time to start video and first of all guys what will you have to do to guys reboot. So as you can see guys this power off button. So guys you will have to press for long time. So guys press here and as you can see guys your reboot option. So guys we will click on reboot option and tap. So guys you will have to wait here guys, it will on automatic guys, you don't need again to press your power off button. So guys we will have to wait for a while guys. So guys wait here, and before going guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. So friends you can see guys it's on, so it will on automatic. So friends you can see MIUI. So friends you can see guys it's on. So we will swipe and draw our pattern, and guys first guys we will clean our phone, then guys we will operate. So like that guys you can reboot your Poco phone. So I hope friends have understood how to reboot Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will go to the next video guys with the topic. Before going guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video.